Welcome to dotcom.builders. In this video, I will share with you how to change your Google search account language. So first, you can log into any page of Google, in my case, Google Search Console. Then click on this little profile icon and select Manage your Google account. Now go to Personal Info and scroll down to Language. Here next to your preferred language, click on this little pen and then search for your newly language. For example, in my case, I will go with Arabic. Here select the country of the selected language. For example, I will go with Morocco and hit save. Now, if I go back to Google Search Console and I refresh this page, I should see the Google Search Console in the newly selected language. In my case, it's Arabic. And this is how to change your Google Search account language. If you still have a question, leave it in the comments below. And don't forget to give this video a like. Thank you.